Hello, my friend. Have you ever felt that days are passing too fast? One moment it is morning and suddenly it is night. Weeks turn into months, and months quietly become years. Many people believe they still have time. Time to start, time to change, time to live. But what if time is not waiting? What if life is gently whispering every day, "Wake up, start living now"? Today's story is about that whisper, the quiet moment when everything changes. This story will make you pause, think, and maybe see your own life differently. Because sometimes the biggest change begins with one simple realization. Life is short. The morning began like any other morning. The alarm rang, the phone screen lit up, and the day started with the same routine. There was no excitement, no curiosity, only habit. Tasks waited, messages waited, responsibilities waited. Everything felt normal, yet something felt missing, a quiet emptiness that was hard to explain. Outside, the world was alive. Cars moved, people walked, shops opened, and the sky slowly changed colors. Life was happening everywhere, but inside, there was a strange feeling of delay, as if life was always starting tomorrow. Plans existed, dreams existed, but action remained far away, like a promise never kept. Time moved silently. Days repeated themselves so perfectly that they almost became invisible. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, wake up, work, scroll, sleep. Nothing was wrong, yet nothing felt meaningful. Comfort slowly turned into a quiet trap. Safe, predictable, but empty. Sometimes small thoughts appeared, questions with no clear answers. Is this it? When will real life start? Why does time feel faster every year? These questions stayed only for a moment before disappearing into noise. Notifications, deadlines, distractions. One evening, something different happened. Nothing dramatic, nothing loud, just a simple moment of stillness. The noise stopped, the scrolling stopped, and in that silence, awareness appeared. A realization that days were not practice days. This was life, right now. The realization was uncomfortable at first. It brought memories of postponed dreams and unfinished ideas. So many one-day plans. Learn something new, travel somewhere unknown, start creating, speak honestly, live differently, all waiting for the perfect moment that never arrived. Time suddenly felt real, not scary but valuable, like holding something fragile that cannot be replaced. Every ordinary day began to look different, not boring but rare, not empty but full of possibility that was often ignored. The next morning looked the same, but it felt different. The sunlight seemed warmer, the air felt clearer. Small details became visible, the sound of birds, the taste of tea, the quiet peace of slow breathing. Nothing had changed outside. Something had changed inside. Awareness creates choice. That was the first discovery. Routine was no longer automatic. Each moment offered a question: stay asleep or wake up? Continue delaying or begin? The choice appeared again and again, small but powerful. Fear appeared quickly. Fear of starting, fear of failing, fear of change. The mind whispered familiar excuses: not ready, not enough time, maybe later. These excuses sounded logical, but they carried the same message: stay comfortable. Comfort had always looked safe, but now it looked different. Comfort without growth felt like standing still while time kept moving. Not painful, not dramatic, just slowly drifting away from possibility. The idea of perfect timing started to fade. Waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for certainty, these were delays disguised as preparation. Action did not need perfection. It needed movement. Small action became the turning point. Not a big decision, not a life-changing announcement. Just one small step forward. a beginning without pressure, a quiet signal that life was no longer postponed. Something interesting happened after that first step. Energy followed action. Clarity followed movement. Motivation did not come before starting. It appeared after starting. This simple truth changed everything. Days began to feel different, not because life became easy, but because life became intentional. Moments were no longer something to pass. They became something to experience. Even ordinary tasks carried a new sense of presence. Time still moved fast, but it no longer felt wasted. There was meaning in progress, even slow progress. There was satisfaction in effort, even imperfect effort. Life did not need dramatic change to feel alive. It needed attention. Distractions did not disappear. Noise still existed everywhere, but awareness created space. Space to pause before scrolling, space to choose focus, space to remember what truly mattered. Another realization appeared. Life is not waiting for readiness. Readiness is created through doing. Confidence grows through repetition. Courage grows through discomfort. Waiting only keeps everything distant. The idea of someday started to lose power. Someday is endless. Today is real. Today offers time, choices, and opportunities that tomorrow cannot guarantee. This understanding felt simple, yet powerful. Mistakes happened, of course. Some steps felt uncertain. Some attempts did not work, but mistakes no longer felt like failure. They felt like movement, proof that life was happening instead of waiting. Slowly, priorities changed. Less noise, more focus, less comparison, more creation, less rushing, more presence. Nothing dramatic from the outside, but everything different from the inside. There was also a strange peace in accepting that time is limited. Not a negative feeling, but a clarifying one. When time is valuable, attention becomes valuable. Energy becomes valuable. Choices become meaningful. Many things that once felt urgent began to feel unimportant. Endless scrolling, unnecessary worry, constant comparison, these quietly lost their control. Awareness made them visible, and visibility reduced their power. Life started to feel lighter. Not because responsibilities disappeared, but because intention replaced autopilot. Actions were no longer random reactions. They became conscious decisions. Progress remained slow, but it remained consistent. Small steps created visible change over time. Confidence grew quietly. Clarity grew naturally. The idea of starting no longer felt heavy. It felt normal. Another discovery appeared. Living does not require extraordinary moments. It requires attention to ordinary moments. A simple walk, a focused hour, a meaningful conversation. These became evidence that life was happening now. There was also gratitude. Not forced gratitude, but natural awareness of simple things often ignored. Breathing, learning, trying, improving. These were privileges hidden inside daily life. Fear still visited sometimes. Doubt still appeared. But they no longer stopped movement. Fear became a signal, not a barrier. Doubt became a question, not a command. The biggest shift was identity. Instead of waiting for life to begin, life became something actively created. Not perfectly, not dramatically, but intentionally. Each day offered a chance to participate instead of postpone. Time continued moving, as it always does, but now time felt like a partner, not an enemy. Each day was a page, not a countdown. Each step was progress, not pressure. There was a quiet confidence in knowing that change does not require a perfect plan. It requires a beginning. The beginning creates direction. Direction creates momentum. Momentum creates transformation. Some days still felt ordinary. Some days felt slow, but ordinary no longer meant wasted. Slow no longer meant stuck. Even small movement carried meaning. Eventually, the idea of waking up became clear. Waking up is not a dramatic moment. It is a decision repeated daily, a decision to notice time, a decision to choose action. a decision to live consciously. Life remained uncertain. The future remained unknown. But uncertainty no longer felt frightening. It felt open, full of possibilities waiting for participation. The quiet whisper returned often. Life is short. Not as pressure, but as reminder. A reminder to begin conversations. A reminder to try ideas. A reminder to experience moments fully instead of delaying them. And slowly, something beautiful happened. Days began to feel alive. Not perfect, not extraordinary. Alive. There was movement, learning, growth, and presence. The same life, experienced differently. The story does not end with a dramatic transformation. Instead, it continues with daily choices. Choosing awareness over autopilot. Choosing action over delay. Choosing presence over distraction. Because waking up is not a single event. It is a practice. A gentle return to what matters. Again and again. Every morning, every decision, every small step. Life is short, but it is also wide, full of moments waiting to be noticed, steps waiting to be taken, experiences waiting to be lived. The opportunity is not hidden in the future. It exists in today. So the question quietly remains, not urgent, not loud, but important. If life is happening now, what is waiting? What small step can begin today? What moment deserves attention right now? Sometimes the biggest change is simple awareness. Awareness that time is moving. Awareness that life is not practice. Awareness that starting imperfectly is better than waiting perfectly. And in that awareness, a new habit begins. Not rushing, not delaying, just living. One intentional step at a time. Because the truth is gentle, but powerful. Waking up does not change time. It changes how time is used, and that changes everything.